Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import CSV in Clickup. Let's get started. First, go to your web and search for clickup.com. Once you're here, click on the login button if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button. Now, once you've logged in, you will be directed to your Clickup dashboard. Now on the left side of the screen, click on your profile icon. A pop-up window will show. Click on Settings. Now, once you're in the Settings area, click on Imports or Exports. Then here, click on Spreadsheet. For the next step, choose the location on where you will import your CSV. Click on Select Location and click on the Theme Space. Now, choose the format of your dates. Then, click Continue. Now, click the Upload File button. Then, choose the CSV file on your computer. Then, your CSV file will be imported to your Clickup. And that's it. That's how you import a CSV in Clickup. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.